Hi friends, welcome back to Everyday Eats with Ellen. Today we're going to be making one of my favorites, beef stroganoff. It's got that rich, creamy broth with mushrooms, but we're going to lighten it up a little bit by using zucchini noodles instead of pasta. And to make it a little bit more budget friendly, we're going to be using hamburger. So let's get cooking. And there you have it, rich, creamy, and totally satisfying beef stroganoff, made a little lighter with zucchini noodles, made a little bit more budget friendly and quicker using ground beef. If you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss another episode of Everyday Eats with Ellen. And by the way, what's your favorite comfort food? Is there one we can remake for you? Let us know.